Hello everyone, Unbox Silver Fox here. I'm about to break open this wax box of 1989 Fleer baseball cards in search of the Billy Ripken Air card number 616. But that's not the only controversial card in this set. There's also the Randy Johnson Marlboro card 381 with many variations like the Ripken card. Altogether, there's some great cards to look for in this 1989 Fleer set. Rookie cards like Ken Griffey Jr. 548, Gary Sheffield 196, Craig Biggio 353, and John Smoltz number 602. Other cards to watch for is Jose Canseco number 5, Nolan Ryan 368 in the retro Astros jersey, Don Mattingly number 258, and Rickey Henderson number 254. There's 36 packs in the box, so let's get started. So the box cover features Gary Carter. Each pack contains 15 cards and 1 sticker, so that's a lot of cards to get to. There's a logo sticker there, 4 different teams. Jada, Andy Allenson, Danny Jackson, Salas, Joe Price, Smithson, Lancaster, Braggs, Terry Clark, DePino, Chet Lemon, Detroit Tigers. The colors. Here's the Major League Prospects, Girardi, Orlando Bruins, Mike Davis, and Guante. I'm terrible at these names. Alright. Second pack. Looks like these cards are in pretty fair condition. This one's upside down. There's another one of the 4 teams. Chicago White Sox, Fred McGriff, Burns, Palmer, David Wells, Graybeck, Gladden, Terry Blocker, DeStefano, De Leon, Hurst, Ozzie Gielan, Rob Dibble, Wallace Johnson, Mickey Brantley, and Al Greet. That's the card, logo card that I was looking for, the Detroit Tigers. There's a good card, Ryan Sandberg, Surhoff, Cook, Gonzalez, Matt Noakes for the Detroit Tigers, John Kruk. Prospects, Milwaukee and Corsi, Woodson, Stanley, Tim Raines, Stillwell, another prospect, Scott Service, Pina, Garland, and Wally Joyner. It looks like the last card of the pack has a little bit of the wax residue on it, so that might hurt the value if you did have a awesome card. Like the last one there of Wally Joyner. There's a bigger logo, Boston Red Sox. Pitcher Perfect, Tom Browning. Greg Matthews, Jeff Kaiser, Darryl Strawberry. Followed up by Cal Ripken Jr. Leonard, Buckner. How about Bill Buckner? Kevin Eltzer, Jones. I'm stuck to this one. Jeff Treadway, Gallagher, Spear, Spike Owen, and Greg Maddux, Wegman, and Clyburn. So these card piles can accumulate pretty quick. Remove these. Alright. Pack number 5. I've got a Cal Ripken Jr., but not the Ripken that I was looking for. Another 4-team logo sticker. Tim Belcher. Tibbs. Oh, that's a nice one right there. One of the cards to look out for. That's Nolan Ryan. Followed up by Dave Henderson, Mike Brumley, Scott Nielsen, Lance Parrish, Guzman, Ossenmacher, Hot Corners, Hot Hitters, Wade Boggs, Carney Lansford, Williams, Rod Allen, Beckman, Dave Schmidt, and Chris Bozio. Oh, followed by Capra. Moving on to 6. So far we've got a Nolan Ryan. The Ford logo. There's another card to look out for. Rickey Henderson. Put him on the featured cards. Carmen. Smith. Power Center. Kirby Puckett, Eric Davis. Awesome duo. Bob Hunter. Atherton. Robert Johnson. Eddie Murray. Clear. Jimmy Quirk. Dave West. Yet. Eric Davis. Great player. Kelly Paris and Trevor Wilson. The Mariners logo. The checklist. Tom Prince. Balboni. Pendleton, Roger Clemens. That's a good one. Melito Perez, Sierra Seaton, Val, Kevin Mitchell, William, Jay Howell, Aguilera, Dave Smith. Seemed like there was one that was sticking to that. Nope. Dave Smith, and heavy hitter back in the day, Mark McGuire. And followed up by his teammate, catcher Ron Hassey. Pack number 11. Atlanta Braves logo card. It's a classic logo. George Brett. The name up there. Harris. Rahoden. There's a Craig Biggio rookie card. Johnny Ray, Gruber, Plunk, Hayes, Eichhorn, Ortiz, Ridden. There's Mike Greenwell, outfield Red Sox. Another checklist. Point, Wiener, and Brinkowski. Definitely feel the wax on the back of these cards. The last card, right? 14. The card on the back. Hopefully it doesn't have too much residue on it. But there's the logos. Prospect Brown Raymer. Jeff Coat. Tom Foley. Lee Brent. Mark Grant. Dotson. Alan Ashby. Jack Howell. Cerruti. Blankenship. Dernier. Jim Clancy. There's Bobby Vanilla. I think he's still got his contract getting paid to him. Smart guy. Behringer and Fleer All-Star Team. Let's see. Yeah, it's got a little bit of the wax residue on it. Hopefully if I do find the ripping card, it won't be the last card in the pack, because that seems like the cards that are getting the wax residue all over them. The Philly fans will show you some love. Alright. John Farrell. Cal Daniels. That's a good player. Johnson. Go. Lance. Law. Plesac. Dan Petrie. He used to play for the Tigers too. Had many of his cards. Larkin. Jackson. Detroit. Jack Morris. Didn't know if there was a card sticking. Mark Davis. There was Cincinnati Reds. Marty Brown. Lenny Harris. Danny Heat. Pinkle. And Jeff Parrott. Right, moving into the 5th layer deep of the box. goes Obi McDowell, Tom Glavine. The young Tom Glavine there. Triple A's. Canseco, Steinbeck, and McGuire. Cox, Medina, Keith Hernandez, Gerhardt, Aducci, Aquino, Megadon, got him, Franco, Brady Larkin, another great Reds player, Mike Woodard, Donnell Nixon, Larry Parrish, and Andre Dawson. Too bad he's got the wax residue on it. Look at a few of these cards here. At this point, I've already forgotten how many packs I'm into it. I'll check up on it here in a second. Darnell Coles, Ozzie Smith. That's a good one. Followed up by Wade Boggs. Another good one. Long. SSC. Hitler. Diaz. Garrett. Steve Cersei. Tim Leary. Peraza. Nepper. The Jose Canseco card, another good card to look out for. Number 5. Biggio, Roberto Kelly, Ricky Jordan with the wax. Kansas City Royals. Old Bo Jackson team back in the day. Mike Moore, Will Clark. That's a good player. Paul Gibson. Steve Sachs. Worthington. Ramirez. Javier Martinez. Don Mattingly. Go ahead and put him up here too. Mike Schmidt. Good player back in the day for the Phillies. Fletcher. Smith. Pitching Power. Jackson Cone. Steve Peters. Candiotti. And Terry Leach. Kind of like how these cards were made there with the gray background, the white stripes. There's a big logo of the Detroit Tigers. Gotta show them some love. Gross, Flanagan, Jim Gott, Gagne, set down Blosser, Wilson, Bill McGuire, Todd Worrell, Stanley, Boston, Winningham, Nixon, Alan Davis, Butler, and Rickens and Venezuela. Almost 3/4 of the way. Still no Ripken. Can always be light at the end of the tunnel, I guess. The logo. Bill Jones, Gary Thurman, Sasser, Mel Hall, Rob Murphy, Pasqua, Griffey, Roman, Giraldi, Meyer, Corbett, Lee, Goose Gossage, Old Goose, Gary Pettis, Reddy, and the prospects Pounder and Clark with the residue. That one you can tell really good on that. It's a shame. Okay, so coming up on pack 25 here. I'm still feeling alive. Thanks for watching. If you've made it this far in the video, if so, make sure to leave a comment about your favorite card so far, favorite team, player, logo, Sugar, Perez, Farr, Simmons, Getty, Reynolds, Devin White, Mosby, Terry Steinbach, that's a good one. Juan Samuel Leach, there we go, Barry Bonds, Randy Bush, All-Star Team Dennis Eckersley, Checklist, and Bob Watt with the walk-off of the wax. Pack number 26. So Yankees, let's change it up a bit right there. Oh man, what is this? What is this? It's the Randy Johnson. See the Coke advertisement in the background. You make out Marlboro, so I'm not for sure which variation this is. I think there's 3 or 4 variations, but you can still see the advertisement, but it is blacked out a little bit. What's the chances of getting both variation cards in one pack? We'll see. McCaskill, George Bell, Doug Jennings, Greg, Pat Borders, Jose Lind, Kirby Puckett, Bruce Sutter. The card fell, but great rookie card right there. Furman, and the Ken Griffey Jr. rookie card. A little speck of the young Griffey Jr. It's a nice card. We'll put him right up there. That's not bad to have the Randy Johnson and the Griffey Jr. in one pack. McGreen. Card sticking to this one. Jody Reed. Manrique. Keith Brown. And McGaffigan. A few rookie cards still out there, and the Billy Ripken that I'm looking for. If I'll get it. I'm not sure. Hope so. The Cubs. Big logo. Rick Frazier. John Moses. Webster. Jeff Robinson. Andy Hawkins. Prospects Kramer Garcia. Devereaux, Cecina, Tim Mollett, Willie Wilson. There's another Gary Sheffield rookie. We won't cover up the Griffey Jr. We'll put him right there. Gary Ward, John Fishel, Chili Davis, Tom Hinkie, and Rick Honeycutt with the wax. Small logos. Mike Witt, Mullenix, Felix Jose. There's a John Smoltz rookie. I got a Ken Griffey Jr. mixed in with a Randy Johnson, so can I have a Billy Ripken error with this one? We shall see. Liriano, Leverlive, Frank Viola, Mela, Ryan Fisher, Campbell, Lee Smith, Harold Baines, Jeff Reed, and Riviera, and Harold Reynolds with the wax. Alright, 3 packs left. And the Padres, big logo. Let's go ahead and change that up here in the back. Hubbard, Lee Randolph, Yankees, Ruffin, Pete O'Brien, Andres Thomas, Jose Canseco, Speed and Power, Burworth, Tom Hurd, Roger McDowell, Billy Ripken. There it is. And look at that variation. Oh yes, 3 packs left. And I've got it. 616, Bill Ripken. You can see why they made a few variations right there. Nice pull, nice pull. I'll let you know a little secret or what to look out for here in a few minutes now that I've got that. Crim. Oh, and a Bo Jackson. Nice. Bob McClure, Scott Bells, Chris Sabo. In the checklist with the wax. That is an awesome pull. I've got the Billy Ripken card, and it's not the variation with it blacked out. 2 packs left. Let's go ahead and show those Baltimore Orioles fans some love. Alright. That was a great find there. But if you did stay around to the end of this video, I do want to share, I'm not for sure how true it is, depending on the variation. This one that you can see right here of Billy Ripken. The earlier boxes may have that card right there, or that variation of it. So you got this box, and then what you want to look out for is the number on the back right there, 8608A. There's different numbers. I've seen a 8606, there's a 07, 08 here, and I've seen it up to 8610A. So depending on what box you get, if it's in the box, that's what type of variation you're going to get. Maybe. So here's a recap of what I was able to find in the 1989 Fleer Baseball Wax Box. A lot of great cards. But I came upon the ones that I was really searching out for, including Jose Canseco, Don Mattingly, Nolan Ryan, Rickey Henderson, Gary Sheffield Rookie, Craig Biggio Rookie, John Smoltz Rookie, Ken Griffey Jr. Rookie, Randy Johnson Variation, also a rookie card, and the one that I was really in search of, the Billy Ripken Error card. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel, Unbox Silver Fox, and make sure to turn notifications on so you can catch all my latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you later.